Hello everyone, welcome back to Ton Time. Today we will be doing an unboxing of this Vaydeer Undetectable Mouse Jiggler with power supply. So this item has actually been pretty popular with the work at home movement. A lot of people who work at home buy this so they can keep their mouse moving without being in front of the computer if they need to go to the restroom or whatever they're doing, so their laptop doesn't go to sleep and their bosses or company don't see their computer is idle. So yeah, it's interesting. I just got this because I saw it on sale on Prime Day a couple days ago, and I actually needed to keep my laptop from going to sleep at certain times when I'm rendering videos. After it renders a video, it goes to sleep and it just like disconnects everything from my network, and I would like to keep it awake after that. So, but anyways, this is the product. It came shipped like this, so there wasn't any retail packaging or anything like that. So this is what you get, and you see the Amazon part number on here. But let's go ahead, open it up. Let's see what is inside here. Okay, so you got this little instruction here. You got the on-off button and indicator light, and I guess this is a turntable that moves the mouse around. So you got Japanese and Chinese and English instructions. So you got little instructions, and this one actually came with a little power brick and a USB cable to power it up, which is good because I see some other versions, they only give the USB cable and they expect you to plug it straight into your computer. But if you have a work computer, it could be dangerous doing that because the IT department might see that plugged in and detect it and know that you're up to your shenanigans, and that would be bad. So this one, if you're using this and you're using it for work, it's better to get one that uses a plug outlet. Don't plug this into your laptop. But if you're using it for whatever and you don't have anyone watching you, you can plug it straight to your laptop. So this uses a micro USB connector, which I was hoping it was a USB-C, but oh well, you get what you pay for, I guess. And then you got USB-A to micro USB, power brick, and the Jiggler itself, and it plugs into that area right there. So pretty simple device. Let me give you another view so you guys could see. So this thing spins around, on off button, light indicator, and then your outlet goes right there. USB cable, power brick. Okay, so let me plug this in and let's see how it works. So I got, let's see here, I got this outlet here. So let's go ahead and plug it in here. So I'm using the power brick, and then I'm going to use the cable that's supplied. Pop it in like that, and then plug the micro USB part here, and that's it. You just turn it on. You got an LED light on, and then you see this area here. I believe it kind of randomly moves around. So if you want to see what it looks like, I have a mouse here. Okay, I have a mouse here, as you can see. This is my mouse, so I'm going to move it over to this desktop. So you want to make sure that its point is sitting on that thing. So as you can see it moves randomly. So I'm going to put my mouse on there, and then let's see, I'm going to go ahead and move you to my desktop here. And where's the mouse? Okay, as you can see, there's the mouse underneath the image there. So that's how it moves. Stops. And then it looks like it's moving back. As you can see right there. So the mouse is right below the image, as you can see the mouse pointer. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. Oh, well, it doesn't zoom in on the mouse, but you see how the mouse is moving right there on the image. So I'm not doing anything. It's just doing this thing. So it looks like it's moving slowly right and then slowly left. Okay, then it stops. And then it's moving right again. So there you have it. Looks like it just does a left and a right movement. Left, stop, right, stop. It pauses for like a few seconds and then it moves back. So that's the pattern on how this device moves. So I'm going to take it off and I'm going to use my other mouse now. So let's see. So if you're looking at the specs here, this is I'll put the link to this item below. So it's ultra silent with ISO certified 2022 version, 100% undetectable because it uses a power brick instead of plug it into your laptop and then you have an on and off switch. So, and it says it works with everything. I mean, of course it's going to work with everything because it's running on the operating system side. So it'll work with any laptop or operating system. So yeah, so that's it. I got this on Prime Day, so I got it a little bit cheaper. So, but the price, it looks like it went back to normal. I actually got it for like $20 on sale. But yeah, it's a pretty cool device. If you need your mouse to, if you want your laptop to stay awake, you can put the mouse on there, and it'll pretty much track it back and forth as you see it. So yeah, pretty cool device, guys. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, like always. If you liked the video, please hit that like, share, and subscribe. And if you like, hit that notification bell. So when I make new videos, you guys will get notified. And like always, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you until the next video. Peace out till next time.